Smart Post Tagger is a very easy to use plugin for adding relevant and contextual tags for your posts. On the main plugin settings page, you have options to set up MetaBox integration so that plugin will integrate into post editor for taxonomies you select here. By default, there is only one taxonomy related to this, and that's standard tags taxonomy. If you have more than one taxonomy in your system or custom taxonomies, you will see all of them that are not hierarchical and have interface related options set so that they have MetaBox. So you can add options for tagging, that's for active AIPs. We'll see that a bit later. And you have option for clear to clear all tags that post already has. As for tags extraction, you can set options so that existing tags have priority. So if a plugin finds 10 tags, if some of those tags is already registered in your WordPress website, these tags will have priority over the rest of the new tags. And you can limit the number of results to any number you want to set here. Also, you can change the case for received tags if you need so. As for AIP services, plugin has internal extraction. That's a simple extracting script that will generate single word tags. But most importantly, you have access to 4 online AIPs: Yahoo, Alchemy, OpenCalais, and Zemanta. For last 3 you need AIP keys, and you have links so you can register on websites for these keys so you can use it. Right now we have preset here tags for demo purposes, and you will see results for all AIPs. Let's see how that looks like. We'll open an existing post, and as you can see, when you start when the plugin is active, you will get these options here for tags MetaBox. So you have options to clear tags. Right now there is no tag set here, so this option will do nothing. But most importantly, you have 5 links here, and click on any of them to get tags related to this content here. Let's try this one. And you will get a list of suggestions for this post based on the post content. Alchemy will return most links, and here is the Yahoo. You will get more relevant links from them because it's based on their search engine. So as you can see, you will get different results for each of available AIPs. To add links, you can use 2 methods. You can click on each element here, or you can add all like this, and all tags are added. It's an option to clear it, or you can click on individual tags and they will be added here. You can combine results and get tags from different services. If you use internal extractor, you will get more results, but they will all be a single letter, single word results. As you can see, it's very easy to generate tags without going through content on your own. Let's try another post. Okay, as you can see, very fast and very easy to use. This demo website currently has no tags set for posts. Let's see that. Apart from these two posts here, other posts have no tags. To manually tag existing posts can be time consuming, so plugin has auto tagger feature. Sorry, auto tagger here. It allows you to set which post you want to tag and which taxonomy to use for tagging. So in this case, posts and tags, and which services to use for search. You will select these three. Then you need to filter down posts you want to tag. First is the range. You can set up ID range for posts, so it will tag only posts in the selected range. We'll set, for instance, here. So only posts with ID between 0 and 700 will be tagged. The rest of the posts will be ignored. You can set up exclusion, so additional posts will be excluded based on their ID. This is comma separated list. And you can set up filter here called maximum current tag. So only posts that have maximum of this limit here tags will be used. If this is not active, all posts in this range will be used regardless of how many tags they already have. If you set here this to 5 like this, only posts that have less than that have 5 or less tags will be considered. If you set 0, only posts with no tags will be considered. After we get results, again we can change case for tags if you need so. Again we can set for existing tags to have priority, and we need to set how the posts will get tags. We can remove all existing tags for posts, and we can limit number of tags we want to add. There is no reason to add too many tags, but 10, 12 tags are just enough. Let's set this to 10. When you save settings, tagger will still not start. You have to manually set this option here, but all other settings will be saved for later use. Before you start tagger, you should check out documentation to see exactly how to set it up and how to get the most of it. And you need to know that having too many active services will slow down the process. The process of tagging will be done in the background, and after we do this, plugin will use internal WordPress cron to run the tagger, and you can see the progress on this page while the tagger is active. Okay, tagger is currently waiting, and you can refresh to see its current status. Okay, it started working, and you can see total number of posts to tag and all other important information about calls to AIP services for tagging. If we refresh, we'll see how currently the tagging goes. Also, you will see the time when it started, the current time, and used memory, and you can stop it here if you need so. This can take some time depending on number of calls it needs to make to AIP services and to process all received tags. Also make sure that you don't tag too many posts at the same time, because you will get you will hit limits imposed by different websites you can use for tagging. So this can be a bit of a problem, but there's no way around it. You need to tag parts of your posts in the same time to get most of the results and not hit the limit of imposed by the services we use here. Okay, we are getting to the end, and as you can see, Yahoo made for Yahoo IP we made more calls than for the other two. That's because from time to time Yahoo will not return any tags, so it has to try a few times until it gets it right. That's something connected to the Yahoo service, and there's no way around it, but we get results. Okay, it completed its work, and as you can see, it was done in 3 minutes and 46 seconds for 46 posts using 3 different services. These services made so many calls and found 1204 tags, but we used 460 tags for these 46 posts because we set limit to 10 tags a post. And you cannot run another tagger until you click here, so you can reset tagger and go back to settings for tagger for another work. Let's open tags panel first, and as you can see, there are a lot of tags added here. Some of them have more than one, have appeared more than once, and you can see that also here. And if we open posts panel, since we tagged the earlier tags, earlier posts, here it is here. Now you have very relevant tags for your post. You can go and manually make changes if you need so, but for the most part, tags get from these services will be very relevant, and they can serve as a keywords for search engines. And as you know, the tags will generate archive pages. So if you go to your widget setup and add tag cloud, if we open front page now, you will see something like this. This is most used tags cloud. There are other plugins for this, and you can try them, but this is the basic default tags cloud plugin. And the larger is the tag displayed here, the more posts it has. So if we open here, we will get tag archives category for CodeCanyon and posts listed that belong to it. Each tag will create a new archive page, and these pages will also appear in sitemaps that are used by search engines. So having relevant tags will also serve as a search engine optimization technique, and it will improve SEO ratings based on the tag relevancy, and that's one of the major advantages of having good tags and having relevant tags for your posts. Each of these archive page will appear in search engines, and also it will help your users find the posts they need easier. So using this plugin is very simple, and it will get you great results connected to getting relevant tags and improving your search engine optimization for the website by adding relevant tags, by adding archives for those tags, and minimizing your minimizing the time you need to tag each post.